I want to talk to you about Experian Credit Union credit cards for bad credit. So if you are looking for a credit union that approves you for an Experian credit card for bad credit, I want you to really watch this show from beginning to the end. So here are our top cards here. First, we have Kinecta. And the cool thing about Kinecta is that you have a couple of cards that really will be suitable for you, even if you have bad credit. For instance, you have the My Perks credit card. So Kinecta My Perks credit card. By the way, Kinecta is actually accessible as a credit union in terms of membership. That's really important. And the credit score they will look at to actually qualify you for this My Perks Kinecta credit card is a 550. 550. Okay, this is a card actually original. This is actually a card primarily for cashback. So if you are interested in having cashback and you're looking for a credit card at Kinecta, this is the card for you. So the My Perks credit card actually gives you up to a 3% cashback on purchases, up to 20% annual relationship bonus. So this is actually a way for Kinecta to actually encourage you to deepen your ties, deepen your relationship with the institution. And the card actually also has a credit building card option available. Okay. The cool thing about My Perks is that you are able to accumulate rewards really smoothly. Okay. You can earn rewards with every My Perks purchase, and you can top off your wallet with 3% cashback every time you fill up or charge up. So that's really good. Now let's talk about the points system here. You have 3% cashback on gas, 2% cashback on groceries, and 1% cashback on everything else. So that's kind of cool. And everything else includes coffee, night on the town, everything. Okay. And so one thing you need to really remember, when I said up to 20% annual bonus, I really meant that you have the ability to get 5% for being a Kinecta member in good standing, and another 15% when you actually use eligible Kinecta services. Okay, so that's really important. And so the card actually is good because it allows you also to earn a $200 bonus when you make $3,500 in purchases with your My Perks card within the first 90 days of account opening. First 90 days. So this is really fantastic. If you're looking for an Experian Credit Union credit card for a bad credit, I want you to think about First Tech. So First Tech is a pretty good institution. And at First Tech, I want you to focus on a credit card called the Platinum MasterCard. So the First Tech Platinum MasterCard. So when you think about this card, I want you to think about a card that allows you to have low rates. You have also a no annual fee and no worries, okay? The card is pretty good. If you have a credit score of 570, you can qualify for this card. So First Tech Platinum MasterCard. You have APRs that go from 11% to 18%, and you have the ability to actually qualify for a credit limit of like from $1,000 all the way to $10,000. That's really good. The cool thing about First Tech is that this is actually a credit union that's really has invested big time in technology. So you can actually qualify for this loan. You can apply, let's say online. You can apply via their app, via the company's app, the mobile app. And the app is actually available on Android and also iOS. You have the ability also to call the company on the phone and have a conversation. So online, on the phone, or let's say via the app. By the way, you can also go to a branch. So that's really good. And First Tech. First Tech is available to you no matter where you are at. So it doesn't really, there is no geo restriction. Okay. You can qualify by joining a sponsored organization, and then you're in. You don't need to be and you don't need to be in the technology industry to qualify for a First Tech membership. If you need more information, you can call 1-855-855-8805. Again, the number here is 855-855-8805. So that's actually 855 twice, okay? And so they'll explain everything to you. And but the card you want to focus on if you have bad credit is actually the First Tech Platinum MasterCard. So when you call, I want you to focus on that card because the other cards, they have other cards, by the way, but those cards are not accessible to you as a borrower with bad credit. If you're looking for an Experian Credit Union credit card for bad credit, I want you to think about Andrews FCU. So Andrews Federal Credit Union, and particularly you have when you think about Andrews, I want you to think about a credit card called Supreme Visa credit card. So that's the card you want to go for if you have bad credit. And basically, if you have a credit score that starts at 540, Andrews will actually look at your application, not a problem. So 540, that's actually the beginning, the starting credit score. This card actually allows you to do a lot of things. First of all, think of it as a balance transfer card, because basically you can save with a 0%, let's say intro APR for the next 6 months on purchases made within the first 90 days. So this 0% does not apply to balance transfers. Only purchases. So within the first 90 days, you get 0%. And after that period, your purchase and balance transfer variable APR will be between 13% and 18%. And 18% is actually the maximum rate that a credit union can charge in this country. That's why. And so you also have with Andrews, you actually have a lot of flexibility, if you will. Okay, for instance, you have tap to pay technology that makes it very easy for you to shop on the go. Okay, so the card is called the Supreme Visa credit card, and the cool thing is that you can actually qualify for an Andrews membership no matter where you are at. And this card also is really great in terms of the card is great for balance transfers, but just remember that balance transfers, the regular rate will apply. The regular rate is still low anyway, but if you can't find a lower rate elsewhere, maybe I'll do a balance transfer here. There is no balance transfer fee. There is no annual fee. There is no cash advance fee. There is no foreign transaction fee. So, and in addition, you have around the clock fraud prevention services. So that's really good in terms of flexibility. Okay. And so overall, if you have more questions, if you will, just contact the company and ask those questions. But you want to go for the Supreme Visa credit card. If you're looking for an Experian Credit Union credit card for bad credit, I want you to think about Bethpage FCU. So Bethpage, we are speaking about the Federal Credit Union. And with Bethpage, you want to focus on a credit card called the MasterCard Cashback. So this is a cashback credit card, okay? And Bethpage wants you to have a FICO score of 580. FICO score of 580 minimum to actually qualify for this card. And the cool thing about this card is that you are able to use this card for balance transfers, but also for regular purchases. So for regular purchases and balance transfers, for instance, you have an intro rate as low as 2.99%, so 3% for 12 months from account opening. So that's really good. And then after that, the rate can go all the way to 15%, all the way to 18%, 15 to 18%, okay? So, and the card actually has no fees, by the way. No annual fee, no balance transfer fee, no foreign transaction fee. And Bethpage is pretty generous when it comes to the company's credit limits, okay? You can have credit limits that go from $500 all the way to $35,000, which is relatively high when it comes to credit unions, okay? And you also have a special feature that allows you to earn 0.5% cashback on eligible net purchases between $1,000 and $4,000, and so that's really good, okay? But the cool thing is that you have use this card primarily as a cashback card. Now, if you have bad credit, you can still qualify for, if you can't qualify for the unsecured MasterCard cashback credit card, you can qualify for secured credit cards that Bethpage issues, okay? And here you have a minimum security deposit of $250, and you have the ability to increase your credit limits in $10 increments, and you have automatic reporting to all three credit bureaus every single month, and you have MasterCard zero liability protection with Bethpage. So pretty fantastic if you're looking for for a good credit union, a reliable credit union, if you will. So that's really good to really know. If you're looking for Experian Credit Union's credit cards for bad credit, I want you to think about NASA Fed. And at NASA Fed, I want you to think about a Visa Classic credit card. So this is actually the card that will really will make your day if you have bad credit. NASA Fed will consider your credit card application if you have a FICO score of a 575 minimum. Okay, so let me talk to you a little bit about the NASA Fed Visa Classic credit. So the official name, if you will, of NASA Fed is NASA Federal Visa Credit Card. Okay, that's NASA Federal Visa Classic Credit Card. That's the long name of this credit card. But here you have a card that features a low fixed rate with solid benefits. So that gives you a lot of flexibility. If you have bad credit, you can still qualify for a decent limit. You are looking at a maximum of $10,000. Okay, in terms of credit limits. Okay, so this is a card that's actually great for you for actually launching good credit, for rebuilding credit. Okay, and with this card, you will enjoy actually a fixed rate as low as 2.4% APR. So that's really good. And as low as a 9.9% APR for the life of all balance transfers. You have real-time account management, so you can log into digital banking anytime to check account balances, make payments, and more. You have security at your fingertips, just so you can really prevent new purchases by locking your card within online banking or even the mobile app. If you go with NASA Fed, you want to really use their mobile app a lot, okay? And you also have a share secured Visa credit card that's available if for any reason you don't qualify for the unsecured credit card at NASA Fed. You have the ability to establish a line of credit by using a cash collateral as your deposit, okay? So if you were to go with the NASA Fed share secured Visa credit card, the minimum deposit they want from you is $500, okay? But overall, you should be able to qualify if you have a FICO score of 570 all the way to a 580. And yeah, so if you have any question, just call 1-888-NASA FCU, 1-888-NASA FCU. So that's a pretty good card to think about. If you're looking for an Experian Credit Union credit cards for bad credit, I want you to think about the Genisys. And with Genisys, I want you to think about the Genisys Platinum credit card and the Credit MasterCard, by the way. This is a pretty interesting card. Why? Because this card allows you to do a lot of things. You can use it as a balance transfer card. You can use it as a cashback card. You can use it also for let's say a credit card consolidation. Okay, so when I speak about the balance transfer credit card, the rate is pretty decent. I mean 9%. So if you can't find a lower rate elsewhere, you can just come to this card. Okay, the card has no annual fee. You have a 28-day interest-free grace period. You have a fast and secure contactless transactions, online and mobile account access, worldwide acceptance. So that's really good. So overall, if you think about the Genisys Platinum Credit MasterCard, think about accessibility. Genisys will work with you if you have a FICO score that starts at 550. So 550 is actually the cutoff, if you will, or let's say the threshold they'll start looking at application at. So 550, and so this is really good. Now there are scenarios where they can even look at an even lower score if you have a good relationship with Genisys Credit Union. So let's say you have a credit score of a 500 or a 400 or even 300, but you have a strong relationship with Genisys. They will actually look at it. They'll look at your application, let's say, with a favorable eye. Okay, those are like good circumstances, if you will. Okay, and with Genisys, if you have their credit card, you actually have a free identity theft resolution service. That's really good. You have an auto rental insurance that comes with a credit card. So again, you have to book the car with this credit card to actually qualify for the auto rental insurance. Okay, and you also benefit from a $500,000 travel accident insurance. So that's kind of cool in terms of flexibility. So fantastic, and you can actually enjoy the same features and benefits as the non-secured card if you were to go with the Genisys Credit Union secured MasterCard. So that card is also available to you if you have bad credit, by the way, okay? And with this secured MasterCard, you have limits available from $500 to $5,000 based on the security deposit that you make. So this is really good to think about. If you're looking for an Experian Credit Union credit card for bad credit, I want you to think about American Heritage. So American Heritage as a credit union is actually it's a pretty good and reliable credit union in terms of the types of cards that they issue. So if you have bad credit and if you have a minimum credit score of 540 to 550, basically you want to go for the American Heritage Platinum Classic MasterCard. Platinum Classic MasterCard. This card is actually great. It's a fantastic card that allows you to actually use it for everyday spending, but also balance transfers. Why? Because the APR is kind of low, relatively low. You have a 12.90%. You might say, well, it's high, but no, it's actually low for this kind of cards. Okay, so you have a low 12.90% APR, no annual fee, no balance transfer fee, and you have a credit limit that starts at $300 on the Platinum Classic MasterCard, and you have scorecard rewards. You have the ability to earn one scorecard reward point for every dollar spent with a low rate Platinum Classic MasterCard. That's really fantastic, okay? And also they have a pretty interesting program, a penny a purchase program. So for every purchase you make using any of your American Heritage credit card, they will donate 1 cent, 1 penny to the Kids and Hope Foundation. So this is pretty good. Next, you have UniFi FCU. If you're looking for an Experian Credit Union credit card for bad credit, think about UniFi FCU. Specifically, I want you to think about the UniFi FCU Visa Classic credit card. And this card is actually really all-encompassing. Why? Because you have all the great UniFi credit card features, plus no annual fee. You have a fixed rate that starts at 14%. Or a variable rate as low as 14.2%. You have a credit limits up to $5,000, no cash advance fee, and no balance transfer fee. You also have a debt protection, but this is actually optional if you actually sign up for it. So if you're interested, maybe it will be good for you to sign up for it when you start. You have auto rental collision damage waiver, so this is a great possibility in terms of the choices you make with this card. And you also have a fixed rate. You have a series of fixed rate cards that those are great because the card offer a special intro and balance transfer rates that can be as low as 7%. So everything depends on the specific rate that you have anyway. So in conclusion to this conversation, I spoke to you about Experian Credit Union credit cards for bad credit. I spoke about the top cards, and now the conclusion. Top cards, we have cards from Kinecta, First Tech, Andrews FCU, Bethpage FCU, NASA Fed, Genisys, American Heritage, and UniFi FCU. Thank you so much. God bless you. I will see you next time. Until then, remember, stay marvelous.